Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed Laravel 11 installation. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQLi. Let's run localhost PHP my admin. This my PHP version is 8.2 and this my gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder, inside this open cmd. Let's check this PHP version, and PHP version is successfully 8.2. This my htdoc folder. Inside let's new project is a create Laravel 11. Let's copy this command and paste here. Inside this paste here, ensure this new folder is a create and enter. This Laravel underscore 11 folder is a create, automatically successfully create, and this command is a run. Please wait. Laravel installation, and this my official channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Inside this all available this GitHub, Instagram, Facebook and official website errorsolution.com. and this any doubt, please contact this Telegram, WhatsApp, Skype. And this new project is a create. Inside this e-commerce, school management system, human resource and buy other project is all available this inside. Please purchase and low price. Let's check this my installation. Please wait. This installation is please wait. Successfully step by step installation. Please wait. Successfully installation. This command is installation. Let's copy this command cd Laravel underscore 11. This folder name this Laravel underscore 11. Let's paste here and insert this htdoc. Inside this automatically is a cd is a import. Let's run php artisan server. This copy this command php artisan server and paste here, and this URL is a copy 127. This copy URL, and this Laravel installation is a welcome page. This new Laravel fresh installation Laravel 11.0.7 PHP version 8.2.12. This successfully installation. This good. Let's open this project is my Sublime text editor. This project is open my Sublime text editor. Successfully this open my Sublime text editor project, and this composer JSON check, and this Laravel framework 11 in PHP version 8.2 would working. Let's stop this server, stop, and this paste here this command php artisan migrate, but this not working. Let's enter this nothing to migrate. Let's open this file .env. Inside this first name is a sense, this name is a sense database connection, this MySQLi. In this db is a run, hashtag run, this hashtag all hashtag is a run, and this database name is a underscore 11. This copy this same name is a copy, and this new create database. Let's create this new database and create. Successfully create, but this is a blank table, this is not a available table. Inside this save file, and again this paste here this command php artisan migrate and enter. php artisan migrate, not a save file. Let's save file, and again this add and enter. Successfully all table is a create. This Laravel underscore 11. Let's refresh this page. Successfully all table is a create. Good. This user session password reset token migration job all table is a created. Let's click this user this blank table. Let's open again this php artisan server. server and enter, and this same name is already copy, and this refresh this page. Successfully migration is copy. Let's manually run this project. Is a manually run. This project is a Laravel 11. This manually run. Localhost and Laravel 11 and this public, click this manually, this without command, this close this, not use, this manually run, and this not run, this close this command, this not run but manually is working. Less dot public remove, but dot env file is not a remove. This all available, this collection, this database name is all available. Less protection, this dot env file, this public is a remove public, this remove public path. Let's same, this folder is open. Inside this all cut, this cut, and inside this paste here, same is a paste, and this is a blank. Let's refresh this page, this not working, this good. Let's refresh this page, not working. Let's dot env file, dot env, and this access. Let's open this file, this public is a blank, not available. Let this file dot access file open. Inside this paste here this new code and paste. Please writing this code dot stcs file. Let's refresh this page, and this successfully disable, and this remove and enter, and this required but this access but not a remove. Let's remove, this file is a open index.php. Inside this remove, and this remove, all remove, this index.php, this and this, and refresh this page. Successfully run this project Laravel 11. This welcome page, resource inside this view inside this welcome page. This welcome page is working good. This control A, delete and save, and hello Laravel 11. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully hello Laravel 11 is a good working. This fine, this route inside this web and console, this latest version is a installation good. This model, this all successfully working. This .env file inside this remove, and this MySQL set successfully installation good Laravel 11. Please my channel subscribe, and this my official website. Any doubt, so please contact this, all number is available. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.